Now look at another hormone which we'll try to discuss its profile, state its use, and all of that. So this is what is known as the gonadotropin-releasing hormone. Okay, so I don't really know. Some people spell it with a H, trophin. Some people spell it with a P only, but I think the P is just the modern way, right? So it's a very important hormone, and you can actually see the pathway here. Gonadotropin releasing hormone. You can see the pathway there. So it's a hormone that is produced in the hypothalamus, and it controls sexual development, fertility, and how you can be reproductive. Do you understand? So ultimately, it leads towards release of follicle-stimulating hormone and also the luteinizing hormone, which all of us should actually be conversant with their roles. If not, we'll still talk about their roles here. So origin is made by specialized cells in the hypothalamus. Okay, so it will travel through the blood vessels so that it will get to the pituitary. In the pituitary, it will now trigger the release of what follicle-stimulating hormone and what luteinizing hormone, which all of them will ultimately act on either the testes in males or the ovaries in women. So there's some production of sex hormones, estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, okay, eggs, and also sperm. So roles in females. If it is rising, it triggers sexual maturation. Menstrual cycle, so it also surges in the mid-menstruation cycle. It controls estrogen and progesterone production. It's essential for ovulation and conception. So the roles in males is testosterone regulation, stimulates luteinizing hormone which drives testosterone, sperm production, so it stimulates follicle-stimulating hormone which supports spermatogenesis, sexual maturation. So if it is rising, it initiates what reproductive capability. So clinical importance, if it is low, puberty will be low. Somebody will not be fertile, be having issues in trying to conceive a child. Common in conditions like Kalman syndrome too. So if it is high, it's rare. But sometimes some tumors. So we also have some drugs that mimic its action. So you can use those drugs in treating things like prostate cancer, breast cancer, endometriosis, uterine fibroids, and also some infertility related concerns.